Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 197 Haley Road in Ontario.
This is a spectacular country estate on 5 beautiful acres.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy relaxing and scenic country living in this newer kitchen with gorgeous cherry cabinetry, Corian countertops with a center island, a country view dining area with deck access, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the formal dining room with crown molding and a charming window seat. Plus an expansive living room with a pine accent wall, crown molding, a gorgeous brickwood burning fireplace, and those beautiful hardwood floors. The first floor also features a spacious bedroom or office with an adjacent updated full bathroom.
The exceptional charm and space continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms and an expansive full bathroom to pamper yourself, plus a laundry room or potential bedroom, and a walk-up attic with cathedral ceilings and endless potential.
Every country home has a picturesque porch to enjoy the summer breeze, and expansive back deck for the big get-togethers, all overlooking the scenic 5 acres with a potential subdivision for a building lot.
This country home is great modern updates with low-maintenance vinyl siding and windows, plus superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. This country home has exceptional storage and is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast, with a traditional red barns with garage bays and loft storage, a detached garage and shed. The space is impressive.
This property is located in the town of Ontario with easy access to Webster and Lake Ontario.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 197 Haley Road in Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!